Hey beautifuls, welcome back to my channel today. Today on another episode of I Bought It So You Don't Have To, we are checking out the famous Ipsy mystery bag, you guys. I'm telling you, these mystery bags from Ipsy are always such a roller coaster if they are worth it or not, but I always feel like I should get them and share it with you. That way you'll know if it's worth it to buy. The last couple that we did, I really enjoyed. So there are good ones, but more often than not, there's really bad ones. So that's why I say I'm gonna buy these, that way you guys don't have to, and then if they're good, you can go check them out. Now, if you guys are interested in this bag, I will be posting a link down below for you to go check it out. On the website, it does state that it's still in stock. It's called the Full Bloom Ahead Mystery Bag. Now, they state that we are going to have 5 full-size products inside of this bag. This retails for $32, but there is an estimated retail value of $128 on the bag. So here is what our bag looks like. Now, I'm pretty sure this bag was a previous glam bag that we had a couple years ago. I feel like this design came out when Khloe Kardashian did the icon box. So it's been a couple of years, but I vaguely remember this peony print. I do think it's super pretty. I love the design. But when I looked at these on the website, I was like, isn't that from then? So I could be wrong, but that's what's sticking in my head at least. So this is what it looks like, are these gorgeous pink flowers, and I think they're peonies when I look at them. It is a drawstring bag up here at the top, and it does have the Ipsy tag on the side. So this is what it will look like, and then our 5 full-size products are inside. Gotta say, it's a little light, so I am a little nervous, you guys. But what mystery bag would be complete without sheet masks? I do feel like you get a sheet mask in every mystery bag from Ipsy. Like anymore, it's just, I don't know. I feel like we always get one. So this is from Maskology, and these are the Jeju Volcanic Ash Facial Masks. It is a set of 2. They are full-size masks. These are K-Beauty skincare items, and they are cruelty-free. There's 1 mask in each of these. We have had these in something else, like in another mystery bag, you guys. This is not the first time that I've seen these from Ipsy. So all I can figure is they had a ton of these left over because I've seen them in quite a few of their mystery bags this year. Are they bad masks? No. I do like that we get 2 items. I hope that doesn't count as 2 items. Oh God. That might count as 2 items. We're gonna find out. But I do think they're decent masks. But again, you know, it's a sheet mask. They're not super exciting. Next item that we have in here is from Huda Beauty. All right. This is the Lip Contour 2.0 Lip Pencil. Love Huda. And this is in the shade Pinky Brown. So this is our color down here. So it is a brown color, but there's just a touch of that pink underneath of it there. It's not a lot, but just a little bit. Now, this one is pool party proof, which means that it is a waterproof liner. It is transfer proof as well, and it is a matte all day wear pencil. I do feel like Huda's products are great. I mean, I wear several of her products already, and I love them. The lip liners, I don't really do lip liners myself, but I do think this is a good brand to have in here. I'm still trying to get it out of the box. Aha! Finally, I got it out! So here's what it looks like outside of the box. Oh my gosh, that was a pain to get out of. And then this is our creamy lip liner. I think it's pretty. I really do. It is a full-size product. Huda is a great brand that you can find at Sephora, so all in all, I do think this is a good product to have in the box. Next item in our bag today is from Huda Beauty. This is the eyelid primer, and it is a tinted primer, so we have the shade medium. Didn't this brand go out? I want to say they closed up shop. Like, they tried to make a go of it, and it didn't work. And so I'm not a huge fan of this brand. This is an eyeshadow primer, and it says that it's an ideal companion for all eyeshadow looks. It's cruelty-free, vegan, fragrance-free, and a lightweight formula. You can also use these to do like a cut crease formula if you wanted to. Like I said, it does have a tint to it, and the shade is medium, which I do think I could do right now, but man, in the wintertime, I get so light. This would definitely be too dark. It is a full-size product, so I like that. The wand is really big. So to do a cut crease, like I'm thinking about this for your eyes, right? You've got this shape, and to paint this on your eyelid, it's a little too big and a little too long as well. I would need to like put this down and then use a brush to actually get it to go where I want it to be, just because, you know, it's fine if you're using this as a concealer, but when you're working with your eyes, you got to be like so precise with it because there's just not a lot of space up there is the only thing. So this is what your eyeshadow primer will look like. It will go down, like I said, with a tint, and you can kind of blend that in, and it will help your shadow to not crease and to stay in place throughout the day. It does blend in really well right now with my skin tone, so I do like that. So I'll probably use this and see if it works at keeping my shadow in place where there's no fallout, there's no creasing or anything when I blink. So I will use it, but again, I'm pretty sure this is a brand that has closed up or they're not very expensive. It's just, it's okay. My next item is from Huda Beauty. This is their Lash Rocket Mascara. Oh, I was thinking this was the freckles, you know what I mean? That you can like paint them on. And that product is really good. It's super fun to play with too and to give yourself freckles. But this is actually their mascara. It says it's a lash conditioning serum and it will nourish your lashes to give stronger, fuller, longer lashes. And it's a cruelty-free, clean, vegan formula as well. Oh, and this is heavy. So this is a really heavy metal tube. And let's take a look here at our mascara. This is what the wand will look like here. Now, I've not tried their mascara. The only thing I've ever tried from this brand is their faux freckles, and you can paint those on, like I said. I think even FabFitFun had that this summer as one of their choice items, and it is fun to use. But I've never used their mascara before. It says there's peptides in it as well. Okay, I'll try it. I'll see what it's like. But if you guys know anything about it, just comment down below and let me know. But this seems decent. Last item in our box today, or our bag today, is from Polar. And this is their Eternal Snow Cream. This is not full size. No. This is not. I remember getting a full-size version of this in an advent calendar, and it is not 20 mil. So this is 20 mil or 0.67 ounces. This is it. Oh, Ipsy, this is not full size. I bought a full-size bag. This is not full size. I know it's not. So this is the Eternal Snow Cream, and I would bet money this is just the travel size. I do think this is a great skincare company, and I like their products a lot. This one is basically a moisturizer, but I'm going to look this up, but I guarantee you this is not full size. 50 mil. That's the full size version. So this is travel size. So on the website, it says that this is 50 mil of product. I have 20 here. So Ipsy, you shorted me 30 mil of product because this is not a full-size item. So this is one where I'm definitely going to reach out to Ipsy because I paid for 5 full-size products. I'm hoping they do not count the 2 masks as the full size and then the other 3 and they're just like, hey, here's a free bonus. I don't think that's what they did. I think this was a total oversight that they put this in there thinking it was full size and it's not. So I will reach out to them about this one, but that is everything inside of this mystery pack. So in my opinion, I would recommend skipping this bag, you guys. Partially because, one, you're not receiving all full-size products. But secondly, I feel like there's only a couple of good items here. I don't mind the mascara. I think that's decent. I like the lip liner from Huda Beauty. But honestly, these other items, the masks are not that expensive. This travel-sized item doesn't count. And the Trace Loose item, because it's medium, it's a little awkward. Like, I'm going to make it work because I'm going to try it, but I do feel like it's a difficult product, and I don't think that brand is in business even anymore. So I just feel like for $32 on this bag, like, oh my gosh, now the pain is setting in. This one hurt because additionally, not only is it $32, but then there's a $2 handling fee. There's sales tax on there as well. I mean, this is easily over 35 bucks for me on this one. No, this is not worth it. Oh my gosh. Yes, my recommendation on this bag is pass on this one. So comment down below, let me know what you guys think. Let me know if you ordered this. Did we get the same items? Because honestly, this is a joke. Like, you sent a travel-sized item in a full-size bag. That annoys me. Now, I did purchase another mystery bag from Ipsy that will be coming soon, and it is the counterpart to this, but it had sample-sized items in it. So now I'm like, great, what am I going to get in there? Am I going to get foils or something? But that video will be coming, so stick around if you guys would like to see that unboxing video. Make sure you are subscribed to my channel down below. But until next time, beautifuls, have a great rest of your day, and I will see you all in my next unboxing video. Bye!